What's good, YouTube? This is Kung Fu Kenny back with another video. Hope you guys had a good day today. Actually, yesterday. Had a good day yesterday. It's a new day today, Yeah, man, back with another video. Carrying on part 2 of Raft Survival. And yeah, man, trying to carry on from where we left off, guys. So today's objective is to go fix the aircraft. Honestly, that's the objective today, is to fix the aircraft, because I do have, oh man, do I even have water? I do. Let me just, I'll just eat the fish. Yeah, so I do have the tools to fix the aircraft, man. So I think I'm able to open this chest now, because I can. Yes, okay. Well, perfect. I think that's these. I had like no, I can't open this one. Let's see this one. Open case. It really doesn't matter. Okay, let me see. I really am motivated to build this into a mansion. Honestly speaking, I am motivated. So today, I think I'm gonna take the gun, and then I'm gonna take the flare. Then I'm gonna leave this, because what's needed is these things right here. I do not want to say I want to put this here. I'm gonna need water. That's what I'm gonna need. I'm gonna need a lot of water. And we are, wait, I forgot one bottle. Then I'm gonna need, I have canned food, but I do not have okay, no problem at all. I have 2 canned food, yeah, and I have 4 bottles of water, so I think I am good to go. So I want us to go to the aircraft. I want us to go to the aircraft. Wait, where am I? Oh, I'm pretty far, bro. But I want us to go to the aircraft. Man, there's so many places that we could go to. Oh, this guy, I need to go there with like at least a couple of guns and armor, really strong armor. I don't think the armor that I have on me is even strong enough to able to knock out all the people that are there. They most probably have guns, some dangerous guns. I'm not even gonna try to do it. If I die, I lose all my stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna lose progress or not. Let me check my storage. Okay, I think I'm gonna be able to cut this tree. I didn't want thatch. I didn't want to throw away the thatch, because I wanted logs more than anything. Because I did tell you guys that I'm planning on building the house, man. It's gonna take me a while. It's gonna yeah, let me just stop now, because wait, can't I open this? Yeah, there we go. Yeah. I do not have that tool. Okay, wonderful, mate. let's try something. Let's try. Today I'm also gonna play. What's that game? The name of that game called? I forgot it, but it's gonna be an epic game, man. Okay, let's. They say that. I have 14. There we go. I only have. How do you make the planks? How do you even make nails? Let me see. Oh man, I'm missing a lot of things. Okay, hold up.
What do we have to do? Oh, there's a door. Okay.
Man, these ads piss me off, bruh. Yeah, sorry for that, guys. One of the downfalls of this game, bro, they hit you with ads like nobody's business. And I ain't getting paid for displaying those ads, so I would not even try to do that. So oh yeah, I wanted to check, how do you make nails and planks? How do you even... Okay, I'm a little bit I'm a little bit disappointed because all I need is 5 nails. I don't know where the hell they expect me to get the nails. Like, I don't even know where you can acquire these nails. I'm just being for real. I don't even know. Hungry. Okay. I'm not even that hungry. I think I'm gonna eat when it gets to 20. I just gotta make sure that I maintain it. How do you even get nails? Okay, there's some sort of man, they cut this guy's head off. Something weird happened here, but I'm not trying to dwell. I'm not gonna dwell on it too much. There's a ramp here. There's a bed. Inventory is full. What is this? Clay can be found in trash heaps on water when exploring. What's this? Mushrooms seems like an edible mushroom, but who knows? It will still do. I sure you want to delete this. Yes, I want to delete it. It gotta go. Cane. Okay. I'm looking for nails, bruh. And I can't seem to find the nails. Okay. I don't want thatch, man. I don't want thatch. I need nails. That's the only thing that I'm left with. That's the only thing that I'm left with. There's another crash plane. I don't got 10 minutes. I need to go home because there's a crafting thing there, so because all I need is nails. If I could get at least oh yeah, they need 5, so if I can get about like 6. Oh okay, never mind. Where's the crafting thing? There it is. So I need, okay, deco, production, raft, production, okay, I don't know how to. Oh man, that's the only way I can make nails, by creating this thing. Either way, I don't. Man, this is not good, man. This is not good at all. This is not good at all, guys. Like I need like what nails? 5 nails, bro. That's all I need. And I'm broke I'm broker than broke. In the moment right now, I'm broker than broke. I don't even have nails, bro. I only got, damn. I mean, I got a lot of that. I got 3 of those. Okay. Okay. Let me try to figure it out right now. So, wait, let me see. Production. Workshop, seed bed, furnace. Give me 9 of that. I got a lot of those. I got 8 batch that I put away. Furnace. I don't need that right now. Sawmill. I do not need that right now. Yes. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is get this oven done with. Ah, bro. Okay. So in order for me to get this, oh man. Okay. Let me just eat this real quick. Wonderful. Okay. Inventory is too full. Bro. Okay. I'm panicking. Let's make it. Oh my gosh, bro. Can I increase the limit? Gosh, I do not have. Things ain't looking good Things ain't looking good, fans. Okay. Can I do this? Yes, I can do that. Okay, let's put this right here. Let's put the mud here first. Okay. Production. Survival. Okay, let's go back to the thing. Okay. So let's create flash. Open one more. Oh, take. 2 thatches. Okay, so the game plan here is, man, things ain't looking good, bro. I'm trying to make nails, okay, but okay, at least, yes. Wait, cancel that production. Make me some rope. I need some rope, bro, so I can create more chests. I need more chests, bro, to store all of this so I can. so I can make sense of everything. What the heck is this? Okay, how much do I need to make a chest? So I'm gonna need only 2 ropes and 3 planks. 2 ropes and 3 planks. 2 ropes and 3 planks. After getting the storage, I'll be able to. Okay, my goal is to make. Okay, how do you even make this? Can be found on an island. I have a lot of this. I think all I need is, bro, if I can make them nails, I'll be able to carry on with the story, bro. Wait, let me just. Okay, let me use 16 of these planks to carry on building. Man, there's so many things. Whoa, almost fell in. I almost fell in the water, bro. I almost saw some. Wait, isn't that thing there? Oh, it's clay. Hey, yo, bro, get back on the safety raft here, man. What I'm gonna do is eat one of these. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is create. Okay, I'm gonna start here. Then I don't need windows. New drawings available. No, not enough resources. It's coming together though. It's coming together. Let me see. How much. I only got 3 wood, 2 thatches. Where was the rope that I was? Can I upgrade it? Improve. I'm gonna need thatch. I'm gonna need wood. I'm gonna need some thatch. I'm gonna need some thatch, baby. I need some thatch, bro. I'm gonna need some thatch. Everything's gonna come together, bro. I promise you. Just a little. Just right now, things are not. I'm not going. I ain't going. Oh my gosh, bro. I don't want clay. Bro, these like clay for days. Damn, I missed it. Okay, this thing is wasting my space, bro. And it has the nails that I want. That's the crazy part. Okay. What do I got in here? Bro, like, I have this clay on me, bro. Okay, I got 5 of those. Okay, all I need is nails. All I need is nails. All I need is nails. So okay, let's come together back. So in order for me to make nails, I'm gonna need, I need 5 more of those. Okay, then I need to produce this. And if I need to produce that, I need. Okay. Sawmill. Loom. All I need is this. Sawmill. Okay then. Okay. All I need is those planks. And 8 plus 5 is 13 thatches. 13 thatches. 13 thatches. Okay. Okay, how do you even create that soft wood? Sawmill, I think with the sawmill. Okay, let's start with this first. So let me collect. Okay, let me do this. Let me be smart with this. Let me create the chest first. Okay, so let me create the chest first. Let's create this first. $15. He didn't even show me like. Okay. This is not looking good, mate. It's not looking good, mate. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, folks. I'm not gonna lie to you. Right now, at this point of time, I don't know